I'm Barbara Fantechi. I'm full professor for geometry and I work at SISSA in Trieste, Italy. So I heard about it because Victoria Hoskins, who's one of the organizers, mentioned it to me. I have known Victoria for a while now, and she said, would you want to come for a month? And I said, well, actually, could I come for 3 months? Because where I work, it's easy to get a longer time away, and I hadn't been to England from before the pandemic, and so I thought both that it was an amazing program, but also that it would be a great occasion to visit other British institutions, which I'm actually going to do. So the title of my Kirk Fellowship lecture is Counting Curves, Which, How and Why, and it's not directly a talk on a specific result, rather it's a talk about a story about how very classical mathematical problems, which is before we find the solutions of a problem, we won't find how many there are, got influenced unexpectedly by theoretical physics in the 90s, and how this snowballed a sequence of results and of interactive collaboration between two different areas of geometry and one area of physics. And of course there is a little bit part where I had to do with, and the topic is not at all unrelated with what we are doing here. In fact, is strongly related to the final conference, which workshop will take place in June.